Well, hello, all you fine folks. Today we are in Paso Robles, or as the locals say, Paso Robles, California. And more specifically, we are at the restored historic train depot here. It's now full of a lot of retail stores. There's not a place where you can buy tickets. That ended a little while ago, but you can still take the train from here, the Coast Starlight, all the way up to Seattle. So there's definitely some train action. I just met a really nice man, Greg. He was kind of giving me the lowdown of the area and a little bit of the history. He preferred not to be on camera, so that's why I'm just kind of relaying that. But yeah, so been just exploring a little bit. So Paso Robles has been known for a long time as a place with hot springs and wineries and agriculture, and today there are just a ton of wineries that you can visit. It's a very peaceful place, friendly people. Yeah, I'm looking forward to going to a couple wineries today, in fact. So in 1886, the Southern Pacific arrived, and then a few years later, Paso Robles became an incorporated city. It's now a very popular destination for good food and visiting the wineries, and you have plenty of really beautiful beaches nearby. So I also want to tell you all about my new membership opportunity. You can just click on the membership button on my YouTube page, and in seconds you can sign up to be a part of my Conductors Club. And basically for $4.99 a month, cancel at any time, for less than a piece of 036 10-inch track, less than some lube, some oil for your track, less than a cup of coffee or tea each month, you can enhance and sustain this channel, and you get lots of enhanced perks. There's going to be a private Conductors Club only live stream each month on YouTube, and you'll get more kind of behind the scenes photos, access and updates and that kind of thing. On the community tab, you know, I post things, I post questions, I post photos. I'm going to be posting some Conductors Club only updates and photos. It's also just, it's supporting me being able to continue to do this, and covering some of the clubs that you're in, and going to some of the places you've recommended, some of the things that you want to experience that you might not be able to otherwise ever experience. And I want us to do that. I want to share that with you. You'll just have more access to additional stuff, both on the community tab and through the live streams, and you'll be really helping all of us have this experience, which, you know, for me, especially lately with having evacuated like a long time ago now, continuing to spend some time stopping at train related places and meeting nice people and exploring. I mean, it's truly mental health to me, and the sense of community that we have when we're all connecting, and you know, all of your comments, all your thoughtful comments and everything. And when you share history, you share your personal stories, and then other people comment on those. It's a really special thing. I've just been experiencing a lot of humanity lately, and we have that in abundance on this channel. So again, you can just click on membership in a matter of seconds. You can join, and I'd so very much appreciate that. Either way, I will see you guys very soon. Thank you.